Hi everyone, I hope you all doing well. I'm your teacher Tashveen and today we all are here for your English lecture number 17. So my little kids, for today's lecture we are going to reinforce our previous concepts, and those concepts are related to our alphabets. Okay, all about our alphabets or letters. We are going to reinforce letters, phonics and their vocabulary words. So my little kids, are you ready? Okay, so what you have to do today, you have to be attentive and you just listen and then repeat. So let's start, my little kids. My little kids, it's time to start our reinforcements of alphabets. We are going to start from letter A. So let's start, and you have to be attentive, you have to listen and then you have to repeat. So let's start from letter A. Okay, here is letter A. 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 B, 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 C, K, C, K, D, 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 E, 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 F, F, F. Now we are going to reinforce phonics, letters, phonics and their vocabulary words. Okay? A, apple. A, apple. A, apple. B, bus. B, bus. B, bus. C, cat. C, cat. C, cat. D, dog. D, dog. D, dog. E, elephant. E, elephant. E, elephant. F, fish. F, fish. F, fish. Great job, my little kids. Okay. Kids, now it's time to reinforce our phonics and vocabulary words. So you have to listen very carefully and then you have to repeat. Okay, so let's start from letter A. Okay. Apple. 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 Bus. 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 Cat. 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 Dog. 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 Elephant. 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 Fish. 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 Good job. Now my little kids, it's time to do our letter chant. So let's start from A through F. Okay? Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. Adam's apple, A. B, bugs. B, bugs. B, bugs. B, bugs. C, cut. C, cut. C, cut. C, cut. D, dance. D, dance. D, dance. D, dance. E, elbow. E, elbow. E, elbow. E, elbow. F, fist. F, fist. F, fist. F, fist. Great job, my little kids. Students, I hope you enjoyed today's lecture and you will do the practice of letters, their vocabulary words. Okay, and now it's time to say bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.